Tendons attach muscle to bone. More accurately, they connect muscles to the periosteum, the connective tissue which surrounds the bone. Tendons are composed of dense connective tissue shaped into bundles of parallel collagen fibers. Each end of a muscle has one or more tendons. Locate the distal tendon of the biceps brachii by holding your elbow in a flexed position. First, locate the biceps muscle belly and follow it distally toward your inner elbow. As you progress, the muscle belly will become more slender, and at the crease of the inner elbow, it will become a smooth, thin tendon. It may feel like a taut strand of cable. Explore around either side of this tendon. Tendons come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Some are short and wide, like those of the gluteus maximus at the buttocks. Others are long and thin, such as the tendinous cables of your wrist. A broad, flat tendon is called an aponeurosis. An example is the Galea aponeurotic. It extends across the top of your cranium. All tendons have a smooth, tough, almost resilient feel to them, regardless of their shapes.